Mercedes-Benz 2016 A-Class A200. It's a 1.6 petrol. You need to replace front disc and pads and rear as well. Customer bought his parts. This is front. This one is rear, including pads. He bring only one sensor, so I need to save one of them. I'll leave it. When it's done, then I have to reverse it. This is not heavy, you see. So don't worry. Some people thinking it's gonna take the pipe out. If we damage this pipe, then how fucking hell you would drive with this? So it's safety actually. Rear is done. Now front. I couldn't take this screw off, so it snapped, and now I have to take it out. Actually, this car have only one sensor, not two, not even four, like just only one. So now I have to take this one off. Finally, I had one. You make sure always putting grease on the bushes, because if it's seized, it's not good. So you have to make sure it's not seized. This one actually better to be on this side, because always it finish piston side quicker than. So all done now. Gonna put tag wheels. I managed to open this one because I put the fire. This is what I mean. You need to check and always grease both of them. All done. I'm going to reset on computer and done. So now all done. And always before you move the car, you have to press the brake until your brake is getting hard, and then you can move your car. Still showing brake pads. All good. I mean, this car had airbag light on before. All good.